Dear students, in this topic, we shall discuss what are proenzymes. The proenzymes are the inactivated forms of enzymes. Most of the proteolytic enzymes are synthesized, stored, and released in inactive form. This inactive molecular form is called proenzyme or zymogen. They are released in this form to prevent self-digestion of the lining of the digestive tract. It is actually a protective mechanism. जैसे कि आपको मालूम है कि जो प्रोटिएजेज एंजाइम्स होते हैं, दे डाइजेस्ट प्रोटीन्स, दे आर कैपेबल ऑफ डाइजेस्टिंग द प्रोटीन्स प्रेजेंट इन द लाइनिंग ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट, स्टोमक एंड इंटेस्टाइन इटसेल्फ. इसलिए ऐसे एंजाइम्स को इनएक्टिवेटेड फॉर्म में रिलीज किया जाता है ताकि वो सेल्फ डैमेज ना करें. These proenzymes are activated by cleaving a certain portion of the molecule. This cleavage happens by another enzyme or by changing the pH. दो methods हैं proenzyme को activate करने के. Dear students, now we shall take few examples of enzymes secreted as proenzymes. First, we shall discuss pepsinogen. The active form of pepsinogen is pepsin, which is a gastric proteolytic enzyme. This enzyme is synthesized by the chief cells of gastric glands of stomach. It is released in the inactive form pepsinogen, which is a proenzyme. This proenzyme pepsinogen is activated in the lumen of stomach by raising the pH by hydrochloric acid. The increase in acidity converts pepsinogen into its active form pepsin. The second example of a proenzyme is trypsinogen, which is activated to form trypsin. Trypsinogen is secreted in pancreatic juice as a proenzyme. It is a polypeptide which contains 249 residues. It is activated in the duodenum by cleaving it. A 6 residue segment is cleaved from it from the amino terminal end. After cleaving this 6 amino acid residue, it becomes activated. This cleavage is done by two types of enzymes. One is the enterokinase enzyme, which is an intestinal proteolytic enzyme. जबकि दूसरा तरीका ट्रिप्सिनोजन को एक्टिवेट करने का ये है कि जो ऑलरेडी एक्टिवेटेड ट्रिप्सिन मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो इनएक्टिवेटेड ट्रिप्सिनोजन के ऊपर एक्ट करते हैं और उसकी क्लीवेज कर देते हैं और एज ए रिजल्ट इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू एक्टिवेटेड ट्रिप्सिन. The third example of proenzymes is the chymotrypsinogen, which is activated into chymotrypsin. Chymotrypsinogen is secreted as proenzyme in the pancreatic juice. It is activated by trypsin and its hydrolytic active form is the chymotrypsin.